Hey guys, so in this video I was just going to do a quick overview of iOS 16.4 beta 2. So these are the new features or changes that are in this beta. But if we just head over quickly to check out the build number first, we can see here 20E5223E is the new build number. And for me on the 12 Pro Max came in at 637.1 megabytes. So it's a lot less than the last beta. So to start off with, we've got the curl animation, which is finally back in books. This is one feature that I had missed myself. So if I just go to the settings here, previously we only had slide and none. So slide was just obviously sliding across to the next page. And I'll just turn on the curl animation. And there we go. This is one feature that I did miss from the books. It's just more a natural way of reading books for me anyway. So another thing was a new splash screen on the podcast app, and it just gives you an idea of the new features in the podcast. So we had the new channels in the library, and then there were the changes made to the up next, which we can see here. So there was different bits and bobs they had changed in that. Next we have new icons on the coverage page. So when you head over to coverage, you can see here now for each device you have, so that's for my iPhone, that's for the Apple Watch, they each have a new icon next to them. And then lastly, this was from macrumors.com, who had found code on regarding Apple Music Classical, and there was a string of code saying that you would have to have Apple Music in order to access Apple Music Classical, but we still haven't seen that introduced. Maybe it'll come somewhere further down the line in the betas or on a different iOS release. And then finally we have the release notes, which I'll link in the description if you want to check them out. Just gives you an overview of bug fixes and changes and known issues and stuff. So not many changes, and I'm hoping it's more of a bug fixing thing. So far my phone has been absolutely fine, and we can expect the next beta to be released on Tuesday the 7th, and then the public beta will probably come out the day after. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Take care.